Hi, welcome to the Smart Analyst channel. My name is Sivam Kumar and I am your instructor over here. In this brand new video lecture series, I am going to start a AutoCAD Jetpack series. So in this, I will explain end to end about the AutoCAD. I will start with the downloading or installation of the software, and from there I will explain the basic dashboard and basic understanding of this AutoCAD, and then we will move to the basic functionality, and then we will move up to the core design of the AutoCAD. I will take as a telecommunication infrastructure planning and designing as a core. So in this first video, my plan my plan is to tell you about the how we are installing the AutoCAD and the basic overview of the AutoCAD. So let's get started. So in this, what you need to do, you need to first type AutoCAD in your website and you will get the result of this one. This is the official Autodesk link. You need to click on this and you will get a pop-up in this one. This is the official website where you can see multiple software which is provided by the AutoCAD, which Autodesk organization, which is Revit. It mainly used for BIM and infrastructure purpose or architecture purpose. This is you if you need to simulate, you can see Autodesk Forma and Insight. If you want to manage the docs, this is the two software. See, AutoCAD is not a free software, so it will comes with the subscription based model. But if you are in a college or you are in fresher, what you can do, you can download the trials, okay, and then after you can start working on it. So I have been downloaded the AutoCAD software for you. So when you open the AutoCAD software, this is the basic dashboard thing, and in this you can see all the things like home, insert, annotate, each and everything. So in coming videos I will explain each and everything on the AutoCAD. So thank you. Let's meet in the next video.